living on plan.
Hello everyone! Kumusta? How is everybody out there? Welcome to my channel, SLING.
Wow.
Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate your time so much. So for today's video, everyone, this is from LLQ Outlet Company. A new company reached out to me. Thank you so much to that. So they sent this product, or they give this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a dime to have this product in exchange of this video. And I will do an unboxing and a detailed information about this product that I got from them. And of course, definitely I will do a try on outdoor in this. Okay, so please stay until end. So a little bit information about this company. So this is another online store in the market that provides high quality of a luxury replica handbags. They can reach out through online. I have this information and I will put it information below in this video too. So please go check. And it's summer. Of course, there are so much product on sale going on in this company. So please go get a gift for yourself. It's about time. I've been telling this always all the time, so you deserve a gift to yourself. And of course, you can use my discount coupon, Hazel10. That might help to save, to put something on your table. You know what I mean? So inflation is our big time economical. We have to be in that set of mind. Be mindful, okay? This is all my opinion. I rather like to buy in this online store. Very economical, and that's very practical way in purchasing, At the same time, we still keeping up our fashion. We all need this, right? So, without further ado, let's begin the unboxing, okay? And please stay until the end. Thank you. Alright. Okay, so please, careful when using sharp objects, okay? Let's start this unboxing. Careful, okay, please? Okay, so here this is. Let's take this off. Ah, pretty. Yay. Okay. Oh, look at that. Take it off. Okay. Set aside that. All right. Oh, look at this. How cute. Okay, have this strap. Take this off. And I have the name on it. Okay. And the material is heavy duty. Okay. So, I have another one here. I got this paperwork here. Okay. And let's figure this out. Oh, look at that. So, I'm not sure if you can see this clearly. So, I have the name on it. All right. So, here it comes. I have seen name on it too, both sides. So here go. So this might be the adjustment. Let's figure this out, okay? And let's take this off. Very protected, So I have here, this is how it looks in the inside of this. Let me check that. So, I have 2 compartment. Isn't it cool? And I have here center pocket. This is beautiful. And look at that. And of course, the name on it in each hole. And I have another name here. You can see that. Okay. And of course, both side has name. So let's connect that straps in this. Okay. 1 sec. All right. So for this one, we will put this way. Okay. Put this inside here in that hole. And there is something to connect here inside. Okay. Put that there. Put this hole here. Okay. And here. And there is another one here to connect. Okay. And so, you see? So from here, here, and there, and so we will put some kind of edge, you know, so it won't, oh, wait, before that, sorry, so we will put this inside, in between, so this serves like a lock, okay, do you know what I mean? So, like this way, okay, if you want, just, you know, to keep our stuff inside safe, then we have to do this, okay, this is some kind of a lock for this here, okay, so let's do this way. All right, so we got it figured that out, and this one we will connect that from here and here, okay, and this one just here. All right, so this is some kind of adjustment here, okay, and if we wish to lock that, then we have to use this one, okay, so in that way it's not moving, or it's fixed, you know what I mean? Okay, so if you would like to adjust for some reason, you know, depending on your height, your length of preference. All right, so I got this connected. We have this and 2 slings or 2 straps, short one, which is very heavy duty with the name on it, you know, and then I have this one straps, which is very interesting. Well, I like it because this has a very good adjustment though. So there is a lock on here. We can unlock, okay, and unlock, and in that way we can go as much as we would like to the length, you know, and then in that we have 2 locked, and so that's settled. It won't move. There is a stability here because of the lock, and that's it. Long strap, you know. So this is beautiful. Oh my God, thank you so much, LQ Outlet, for this. This is very beautiful, very cute, looks very summery though. So, and yeah, the material is soft though, soft leather material. Yeah, and it smells so good. Just it smells so good as always. And so, what do you say? Isn't it beautiful? Gorgeous, no? Okay, so we will do a final check. Okay. The straps. I don't say out of line stitches. Everything is perfect. Okay, so final look inside. So do you know how what's the color here? Like looks like no plum color, and there is a two compartment. So I have here two compartment in between, and I have the between pocket, okay, with the locked. Okay, so let us check the handle. Everything is in the right place. You know, it's gorgeous. And this has a long straps or sling, or you know, like something to put in our shoulder. Isn't it gorgeous? Ah, beautiful. Very. So this is about, maybe we can do the length from here to here is right about 7.5 inches, you know, just roughly. And side is like 1, 2, 3, like the side is like 4 inches roughly. And look at that. We will put some stuff. What can this purse hold? Okay, so I have my wallet. This is my own personal. Okay, so just a try. Okay, so I have here. Okay, and I have my eyeglasses case, and I have this. And look at that, it's still roomy. I still have more room, right? So what do you say? Well, it's about time for you to get a gift for yourself. Go get a gift for yourself. Use my code Hazel10, 10% off. That's not really bad though. That will help to put something on our table. As I've said always all this time, inflation is here, but that doesn't mean we have to stop not to go shopping and to stop our fashion. Still, our fashion has to be, it feels great when we bought something for ourselves, right? So yes, look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Really? And here is the adjustment, okay? And longer straps. See how long the strap is? Beautiful, no? Thank you so much, LLQ Outlet, for this. Beautiful. I love this very much. What do you say? So please, let me know your thought of this. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And I will put all the information of this company. Please go check online. And I will see you in my try-on outdoor to this.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. So grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.